Hi, I'm Will from Vanimal, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble our new OS from Milwaukee racking. So first we're going to assemble our trolley shelf, and for that you need a 6mm Allen key, a PZ2 and the rubber mallet. So we're going to take the main base of the shelf and put that back piece in there, flip it over, a gentle knock for the tenons. Then we're going to take the front piece, line that up there with them holes. Gently tap them into place, making sure you locate. The flush on the top, turn it round, and then these parts you want the recessed hole facing inwards to the shelf. So we'll locate them on the tenons again, gentle tap. Same for the other side, recess facing in. Okay, so that's assembled. Okay, so out of the fitting kit, take our 30mm PZ2 screws into the pre-hot drilled holes. 4 per shelf. So that's our trolley shelf assembled and ready to go. Okay, so now we're going to assemble our toolbox shelf. 3 parts, very simple. Recessed holes facing in, gentle knock onto the tenons. Again, 4 of the 30mm screws in the pre-drilled holes. Okay. So that's our toolbox shelf assembled and ready to fit to the racking. Okay, so we're going to start off with our shelves first of all. So they're the front panels. The base panels, you want the rough side up, facing you up. You can put your front onto that. Your rear, your rough side in. So that's your shelving compartment, rough side. Okay. Repeat them steps for these 3. Like I said, the bottom one is slightly different. You just put in a base and a back, because that is your front panel. The front panel, the lower front panel, the textured side wants to be facing out. Okay, so we're going to screw them together now. In the fitting kit you get with the kit, you get some yellow PZ2 30mm screws, so we're just going to put one into the back, turn it over, screw the front, again taking our PZ2 screws, 2 either side, 1 either side, so leave the tenon. Okay, so that's our shelving assembly done. We'll repeat the steps for the other two, sorry. Okay, so that's the 3 shelves assembled. Next we're going to get the right hand end panel with the textured side facing into the rack, so you can put that on the racking quite solid. And then, like I said, the bottom shelf is different to the other two because of the end panel. So we're going to put the bottom one in with 2 parts. And there, like that. Take your mallet. Take the middle, do the same. Okay, the rear first I always find is a bit easier. And then locate the front. And then the top one the same. Okay, so that's our right hand section fitted. We're going to fit the middle panel, which will have these holes, these tenon holes here. So we're going to put that into there, like so. We're just going to locate all the tenons and gently tap them into place. That if you just start off at the top and work your way to the right, to get located, it's a lot easier. So everything's nice and flat, and then we're going to screw that together. Again, with our yellow, these are 2 bits. One either side of the tenon. That's our right hand side section done. Then we're going to take our lower front panel, tax your side out again, just locate it, tenons. Okay, we're going to put 2 yellow pieces, 2 bits of that, on the side. Do it here as well. That's the rack section finished. Okay, so next we're going to install the trolley shelf and toolbox shelf using our Allen keys. 3 drilled holes in the side. Just locate them there. That always sits on the floor, flat on the floor, that trolley shelf. simply screw them in. And then get your leg pan door, again with the textured side into the racking, and simply fix together. Okay, so next we're going to install a toolbox shelf which can go on any level you like. You know, you've got different holes everywhere, so you can place that wherever you like. I'm just going to put on the second one down. So again, it's the same as the trolley shelf. So okay. That's our wrap, fully assembled, ready to install. Okay, so if you purchase our full toolbox version, this is our trolley version, you simply just fit that instead.